Yo, what's good? It's your boy TRNT, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with a brand new reaction video, an album review from your boy Roddy Ricch. This is third project, the third album or mixtape to Feed the Streets. I don't know if it's a compilation, a trilogy, or just an album or a mixtape, but it's a project. You know what I'm saying? We haven't heard from Roddy in a minute, so unlike other YouTubers and reactors, we about to react to the whole album, no skips, no pauses, and at the end I give my commentary. I'm gonna rate each song from 0 to 10. You know what I'm saying? 10 being the best, 10 being a perfect song. So what I want y'all to do is wait to the end of the video, and so y'all can give y'all commentary with me. You dig? And we gonna rock out. This is Roddy Ricch, Feed the Streets 3.
Fucking panties on a bunch and making reaction vids. I hate you niggas that make reaction vids.
Aston Martin truck. You dig? Aston Martin. I'm watching the video, but I'm reacting to the music. So y'all stay to the end. Hit a like button. Let's just rock out together. You dig?
Aston Martin truck, ride it till had to get a new boat, 4 new mix, clean my house. My mama, my daddy, a day one nigga, key to my house. Make 500,000 every time you see me out. See me out. All the public with the grip, all the fans wanna take a pic. Niggas not on my level. Why you mad? I fucked your bitch. Like I said, cause you talking. I ain't even tryna rub it in. I'm tryna make another 100 million. Figure out I'm gonna be my brother's in. Make money poppin', we put money on our cheeks. Niggas on my dick, niggas watch my show, try to see my scene. I'm digging your bitch, I'm a heartbreak king. And you went back and bought another diamond ring. I'm about my money, I'm about my cake, I'm about my cream. I keep telling you niggas I'm in love with me. Cross on my wrist, Ellie got me right side. I hate my color in, can't fit in a tight Aston Martin truck, ride it till had to get a new boat, 4 new mates, clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, a day one nigga, key to my house. Make 500,000 every time you see me out. Aston Martin truck, ride it till had to get a new boat, 4 new mates, clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, a day one nigga, key to my house. Make 500,000 every time you see me out. I pop my shit, she top of list, these niggas ain't stopping shit. I keep a chopstick, don't see no competition. I ride in G4, she off of G6. Stick to the street code, can't never tell shit. I had 10 seats, riding in the Bentley coupe, okay. She was in the Bel Air crib, okay. Hit it in the bed again, okay. She was like, see for me, okay. She seen a hit, gon' keep, okay. You wanna Vic OT, okay. You wanna be a real rich bitch, okay. She said she wanna live in LA, so I had to show her to see. She know it for really, she know I ain't kidding. She know I be hanging with killers. Had to hang with me, throwing up seeds, looking like one of the members. I never get for the pussy, cause that was not on my agenda. Martin truck, ride it till had to get a new boat, 4 new mates, clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, a day one nigga, key to my house.
Key to my house.
500,000 every time you see me out.
See me out.
Aston Martin truck, ride it till
Damn,
had to get a new boat, 4 new mates, clean my house.
clean my
Get my
house.
mama, my daddy, a day one nigga, key to my house.
Key to my
Make
house.
500,000 every time you see me out.
See me out. Yeah.
Yeah, he put dick in your bitch.
Oh.
How about that? That's why you're so mad.
That's why you mad, nigga.
Did you wash your pain up? Did you give a look?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I gotta stop it right there, man. Y'all already know how I feel about it. Y'all see my vibe. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This one of them songs that's gonna be like, you know, he was hungry on them songs. Like, the reason why I like Roddy Ricch, when he came out, I really, on some real shit, I thought he was from Third Ward. There's a lot of people I be thinking from Houston, because in Houston, we play a lot of people's shit. I thought he was from Houston, and then he fucked around, came to find out this dude from L.A. Whatever, but I felt this music, it was hungry, it was like real, you know what I'm saying? The first Feed the Streets mixtapes, 1 and 2. But then, same thing for Ride Wave. I thought he was from Houston for one time, and then, cause we got Houston, we got a lot of melodic niggas rapping scene. And then, Finesse 2 Times, I thought he was one of them, not the South Twin, but somebody that was from the North Side that just, you know what I'm saying, did some time, but I didn't know he was from Memphis. So, but he be out here in Texas a lot. So there's a lot of people, I think. But the thing about it, what I'm trying to say, all these people that I just named, they had that hunger in they opening records, like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like, bro, niggas missing that hunger, like, when, you know, a nigga hungry to rap, hungry to get on, you know what I'm saying? That's the energy. And I think Roddy Ricch, he was hungry and he got on so fast, he started, like, I think he was trying to go poppy with it, like, kind of like the Baby. They say he was going pop, trying to make them pop records, because they trying to get them white people to, you know what I'm saying? Even though the white people is really some big supporters of hip hop, but it's like they try to go poppy or try to make a nigga do. But nah, we need that hungry music, and this shit, like them last two albums Roddy Ricch came out to, the majority was a flop. You know what I'm saying? To his true fans, they may like it, but I wasn't fucking with the last two albums. But this one, he putting his stamp on it. 0 out of 10, I gotta give it a 10. I'm gonna add it to my playlist, which means I gotta run it back. So if y'all already know what I'm about to do, if y'all already want to get y'all grade and y'all want to catch a vibe to the next song, click that next video right now. But right now, if y'all rocking me, y'all fuck with this song as hard as I fuck with it. If y'all give it a 10 like I gave it a 10, we gotta run that hoe back. Leave one more time. Let's go. Man, take a drink with me, y'all. Yeah. And I can sing along. Clean my house. Key to my house. You see me out. Yeah. With the grip, all the fans wanna take a pic. Yeah. On my level, why you mad? I fuck your bitch. Like I said, cause you talking. I ain't even trying to rub it in. I'm trying to make another 100 million. Figure out how I'm gonna be my brothers in. Make money poppin', we put money on our jeans. Niggas on my dick, niggas watch my show, try to see my scene. See my thing. I'm digging your bitch on the high king. I'm a king. Diamond ring. About my cream. I hate my coloring. Can't fit in a tight. Yeah. Clean my house. See me out. Clean my house. Keep my house. You see me out. She top of list, these niggas ain't stopping shit. I keep a trusted, don't see no competition. I ride in G4, she off a G6. Stick to the street code, can't never tell shit. I had a 10 seats, riding in the Bentley coupe, okay. She was in the Bel Air crib, okay. Hit it in the bed again, okay. She was like, see for me, okay. She seen a hit low key, okay. You wanna be OT, okay. You wanna be a real rich bitch, okay. She said she wanna live in LA, so I had to show her to see. She know I'm for real, she know I ain't kidding, she know I be hanging with killers. Had to hanging with me, throwing up seeds, looking like one of the members. I never did pay for the pussy, cause that was not on my agenda. Truck, riding tail, get a new boat, 4 new mates, clean my house. And my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Key to my house. 1,000 every time you see me out. See me out. Truck, riding tail, had to get a new boat, 4 new mates, clean my house. And my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Made 500,000 every time you see me out.
Yeah, he put dick in your bitch. How about that? That's why you're so mad. Did you pour champagne on her? Did you give her a little bit? Or a lot bit? I like this song, but I ain't know why I like it. I really like it now. You bitch, you.
Hey, that's Big Snoop putting that little flavor on the end. I think that's Big Snoop, you know what I'm saying? Them both Crip brothers, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to say blood, but Crip brothers, even though I'm rocking red, I do not bang, I do not condone gang activity. But anywho, man, shout out to Roddy Ricch. I love that song. I'm going to add it to my playlist. I've been keeping y'all too long. Like I said, I give it a 10. That's a perfect song. I want to know what y'all think about the song. What y'all think about the album. What y'all think about Roddy Ricch. What's y'all favorite song on the album? And what song y'all want me or album y'all want me to react to next. But first, you got to make sure you subscribe to my channel. And then you can follow me on every social media platform there is. It's the same as my channel, Liltrentmusik. You rock with me, rocking with the album. Click that next video. If not, I holla.